Welcome to FleetDesks ERP. In this tutorial, we will discuss what is the difference between categorical JV and a normal JV, how to use categorical JV feature, and what are the benefits. So we have already covered the role of general vouchers in the video for general voucher, but just a quick preview that, for example, just now I will make a sample transaction that I want to make an adjustment for an employee and I want to give him a bonus for X amount for his good performance. So let's see how it goes. So bonus is the remarks, and I will select the employee here and for example, bonus expenditures. And here I will select debit, bonus expense, and the amount is 200 and 100 is going to, let's say, uh, one employee, this one credit and 100, and the second employee is uh, this one. Okay, so the total of debits and total of credits is same, so I can save this transaction. So now let's say some time has passed by already and you want to see a report of how many times you have given some employee uh, a bonus, or you want to basically find a specific transaction. So out of this 30 transaction, if you want to find out where is that transaction where you put that bonus to that employee. So you cannot search it here. You cannot search it here because the search will not work. So what we can do is you always have to open a transaction to see what is inside. You cannot trace a specific transaction. So categorical JV will solve this problem. So what we have done here is it's just like a normal general voucher, but once you add a new transaction, you have the same features, you have the same options, but here the additional point which we have is this column which is called a reason. So whenever you are selecting an account, whenever you are making a transaction, you also have to select a reason. Okay, so these reasons you can add the reasons that see fit for your business by yourself. So to add a new reason, you simply go to the setting options, and here you have categorical JV reasons. Where is it? Okay, get add CJV reasons. So you can create as many reasons as you want as you require. So I have already here late vehicle return penalty, medical allowances, misbehave penalty. You can add whatever reason that you want. For example, here I will add uh, good performance bonus. Okay, say let's say I will add here VAT payment. Okay, this is one of the other reasons. So whenever you are making a transaction, you can actually associate this transaction with a specific reason. So if I'm making a transaction for VAT payment, I can select the reason as VAT. Oh, so you got the idea. You can create your own reasons and then you can associate each transaction with a specific reason. So the benefit of doing that is that once the transaction is done, the filtration process is very easy. So to filter this record, you simply have to go to the top right option where this it says report. So if you want to find a specific transaction, for example, if I want to find a transaction related to medical allowance, but I don't know who that employee is, you just want to know in from starting from this date to end date, how many times you have made an adjustment for medical allowance. You select it and then you click fetch. The system it automatically fetch all the transactions where similar recent transactions they were posted. So as I can see, I have two transactions dated 3rd March for this employee and this account, and this is for debit and credit. So this is a very quick way to find a transaction. So one more quick example: if you know the name of the employee, but you don't know if you want to see the all the adjustments posted for that employee. Let's say I will select an employee here, like this one. And if you know the reason that if you want to filter which type of transaction you want to filter, you can select it. For example, here I will select misbehave penalty and fetch. I don't have any record since this employee will not have any similar records. Here, target bonus, no, there is no transaction. And there is medical allowance. Yes, there is one transaction for this employee for medical allowance. So for in this example, what we have learned is for this employee, there were three transactions coming like suiting this criteria, you can very easily filter out the transactions from the history. So imagine you are running your business for 5 years and then you have hundreds of records for each reason, for each employee, or for multiple accounts. Very quickly you can filter out those transactions which you normally do from general voucher, but you don't have a quick way of filtering them, or you have a quick way to identifying or tracing those transactions. So one more thing is here that same like the normal general voucher where you have option to import your transactions from Excel. You download your template, you import, you put the data in, and then you import. Similarly, categorical JV works. Once you are making a transaction, you can actually download the template. Here, you can add all the information that you want to add. Uh, let's see. So here we have the same columns that we have for normal JV account transaction account type particulars, but the additional column is here reason. So you cannot add reasons by your own. For example, if I just type any random reason here, and you try to import this data, it will not get imported. So a very important thing is once you are filling in the Excel sheet, you have to use the same terminology which is showing here, and you save your template, and then you import your file, and you can import as many transactions as you want very quickly, and they will be very easily filterable. So this is all about categorical JV. This is a new feature which we have added, and I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, any concerns, you can drop a comment or you can contact our customer support team. And thank you so much.